Good afternoon, this is Jonathan Schlack, EAS&Weather. I'm here to touch on the Midwest severe weather threat for today, and there is currently a moderate risk across much of central Kansas today, so there's a moderate risk across those areas, in areas in the red, so there's a moderate risk for severe storms across those areas, and there could be some very, very high winds along with very large hail with those storms, and some tornadoes are also possible with those storms. And there were already a few tornado warnings in Kansas today. So, and there might have been a tornado or two already today. So let me go down to the summary area. So numerous severe thunderstorms are expected today and will be capable of producing widespread damaging winds and giant hail this afternoon and evening across portions of Kansas and northern Oklahoma. And there could be gusts of 75 to 100 miles per hour, along with very large hail that could be 2 to 4 inches in diameter. And the few tornadoes are also a possibility. And there is an enhanced risk surrounding the moderate risk area, so those areas are going to especially pay attention to the news and the weather sources and the conditions, so today and tonight across those areas, so. And yes, there is a slight risk surrounding that too, and that goes into central South Dakota, into extreme south central North Dakota. So you too are going to have to pay attention in the slight risk, but especially the enhanced and the moderate risk areas, you're going to have to pay attention to the weather, so. And we currently have a severe thunderstorm watch that is in effect until 10 o'clock p.m. Central Time this evening. That is in effect across most of Kansas, northwestern Oklahoma, and north central Texas. So, and it is a particularly dangerous situation, severe thunderstorm watch. So, this is serious wording from the Storm Prediction Center. And within the severe thunderstorm watch, widespread damaging winds are expected with scattered significant wind gusts to 90 miles per hour are likely. So, and again, there could be some isolated gusts that go over 90 miles per hour. Widespread very large hail is expected with scattered very large hail to 4 inches in diameter are likely. And a few tornadoes are possible with those storms, so. So this is a serious severe weather threat today. And it says here numerous severe thunderstorms are expected to develop and track rapidly eastward across the watch area through the afternoon and evening. And supercells will be capable of producing giant hail, damaging winds, and isolated tornadoes. And it does look like the storms will organize into multiple fast-moving bowing lines through the evening with the risk of widespread damaging winds. And again, those wind gusts could be 75 to 100 miles per hour. So, I mean, it does look like these storms are going to form into a derecho. So, this is a serious severe weather threat across these areas today. So, and right now we do have some tornado warnings right now. We currently have one in northeastern Colorado, southeastern Logan County, in northeastern Colorado that is in effect until 3:45 p.m. Mountain Time. So, and we have one that was issued from the Wichita office in Kansas, Lincoln County, northern Ellsworth County, and central Kansas. That is in effect until 5 o'clock p.m. Central Time, and there was a confirmed tornado earlier in Kansas with the same thunderstorm cell. Yeah, this storm is capable of producing a tornado in baseball-sized hail. So, in addition to the tornado, there will be large hail with these storms, and and there's a tornado warning that does remain in effect until 4:30 Central Time for Roswell County, Kansas. So, and going down here, we currently have severe thunderstorm warnings down here, and we currently have a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Kearney, northwestern Finney, and southwestern Scott counties until 4:30 p.m. Central Time, and it says this storm is capable of producing softball-sized hail and 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts. Yikes! And look at this. Softball-sized hail is 4 inches in diameter, so this is very serious, folks. So this is a PDS severe thunderstorm warning that is in effect for, again, northeastern Kearney, northwestern Finney, and southwestern Scott counties until 4:30 Central Time. So that is very destructive. So this storm here is very destructive indeed. So, and there's another one here for Hamilton County, southeastern Hamilton County, southern Kearney, southwestern Finney, northern Grant, northeastern Stanton, and northwestern Haskell counties. And there could be 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail with that. And sitting with this warning that is in effect until 4:45 for Seward, eastern Morton, Grant, Stevens, eastern Stanton, and Haskell counties until 4:45 Central Time. So, but this one here around, again, northeastern Kearney, northwestern Finney, and southwestern Scott counties, this storm is destructive with softball-sized hail and 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts. So, and I expect to see more of the storms blossom. But early on, storms, the main threat will be the very large hail, and I think the strongest winds will occur later on. So, but it doesn't mean large hail can't occur later either. But I think the damaging winds will be more so of a threat later on, the biggest threat anyway. But there will also be some tornadoes involved too. So, remain vigilant today, and I might have another update later, if possible. But otherwise, this is where I stand with the severe threat, and I might say another update later. Take care.